What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy ricothewaver. Calm down. I know it's been a minute. It's been a cool little minute, but as y'all know, I do work outside of YouTube. I work where I work. It's been real hectic with the quarantine going on. I'm still working with the quarantine going on. I got my mask, basically to cover me up and protect me. For today's video, we pretty much just gonna be showing you. I'm woofing. I know you woofing. Every waver in America should be woofing right now. Ain't no really that many barbers are still cutting like that. I mean, my barber is still cutting. I just chose to woof with y'all, just to woof for a little minute. But my woof may be ended soon. I may not end it. I don't know. I may just trim it down a little bit. I'm finna go close that window because that dog won't shut up. But with that being said, today's video is just basically gonna be me telling you what oils you should be using as a coarse hair waver while woofing. Now, what I'm gonna be showing y'all is 3 different oils that I've used over the time. And there's one oil I don't have in my possession right now, but it is good. I will tell you about that one. Basically to help you woof. I feel like I don't use really too much products anymore. I may use a Go Drip Butter or moisturizer from time to time, but when I'm low. When I start to woof, I like to go to oils now. Just because, no knock to anybody's product or anything like that. I just want to keep everything, you feel me, pure and just oiled and all of that, you feel me? Like, when I start telling y'all about a few of these oils I have here, y'all will understand. So, first oil on the list, I got an Argan Oil right here. I got this when I was out of town. They're like a... They're basically, I gotta go get an oil out the car for y'all. It's an oil in the car I gotta go get. But they're basically a knockoff of this other oil I'm finna show y'all in a bit. But they're a knockoff. It looks just like theirs. It's a knockoff, but their stuff works pretty good. You know, they have a website y'all can go order them from. You know, I ain't gonna plug their website because they ain't pay me. Simple as that. And the product is actually, it's semi-decent. You know, it's okay, but you know, Argan Oil, any Argan Oil is pretty cool. Like, I haven't had my hands on a true Argan Oil, but just from using this Argan Oil, I feel like it's pretty good. So I would definitely give Argan Oil a try. And I also seen a lot of other coarse hair wavers use Argan Oil. And then we have these 2 other thick oils. We have these 2 other thick oils. This is a black castor oil, lavender. Basically, it says it's aromatherapy, restores moisturizer, smoothing skin, relax body, massage. This is really for your like skin and stuff like that. It's not really truly for hair if you read it, but I've used this in my hair without reading it. That's why it's good to read your products. I've used this stuff in my hair and it did nothing wrong to my hair. If anything, shoot, the oils got down to my scalp. Like I said, smoothing skin, relaxes body with massage, restores moisture. You know, it really restored the moisture. That's the real I really was using it for. And it just had my hair smelling like a lot of lavender. And it really was working. Like, I really feel like this one worked way better than the one I'm about to show y'all. But there's a new one, and I don't have a top for that one right now. I have no idea what happened to the top. I don't know. But I got this one. I've been just putting to use. This one is a little different. This is a black castor oil, same stuff. You know, Jamaican mango and lime, black castor oil original. You know, same people, but this one helps with strengthening hair, replenishes, rejuvenates. This right here, I've been using, and I heard that this one also works well, really good. I've also seen 360Jeezy use this before, and you know, I wouldn't mind giving it a try because I've used it before and it's worked in my hair. So this is another oil that's really good for y'all to use. I really recommend y'all to really use that. Right now, I'm gonna go run down and get that oil out of my car that I've been using. Clearly it's in the car because I consistently been using that one. Y'all probably seen it in a few videos before. About to see it right now. And we back, man. This oil right here, like I said, this right here is the knockoff. This is the real deal. It's called the Main Choice. This one called is the Miracle Milk Hair. Like, come on now. That's like almost the same stuff. But Miracle Milk Hair, whatever it's called, It works decent. I had no choice but to get that at the time. It seemed like it was doing wonders, and they convinced me to buy it. It is what it is. Happens to the best of us. It wasn't that expensive. But, and I was at Essence Festival. Essence Festival in New Orleans. And then this one right here is the main choice. Growth Oil. Helps support natural growth and rejuvenates the natural hairs. My bad, y'all. It's just I had to hurry up and run, get back up here so I can record this video for y'all. But yeah, this oil, I like it real good because it's a twist dropper and it like drops out, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't have to put nothing in right now. Pretty much those are the top. Oh yeah, and that last one I told you I don't have mine in my possession right now will be olive oil. I really recommend olive oil. Like that should be your first starter. Your first starter. And me, I'm still going through oils. Like I know they only say you're supposed to use a certain amount of, like a couple of products, you know, at a time. But me, I'm gonna venture out and see what works for my hair. Like as y'all know, I'm clearly on my these are 4 different oils. And one I used to use, excuse me, dang. One I used to use basically is gone, which is the olive oil. Clearly I used that all the way up. Never went to go get no more. But basically, it don't hurt to go through oils. Like I found everything else I need for my hair, but as far as oils, I feel like I have not found that set oil yet. Like yeah, they work. Those are cool. You can try those out. They may work for you. What works for me may not work for you, and what works for you may not work for me. Those might work for you. Those may not work. You feel me? Everybody here is different. So those are just 4 oils I've been using. This black castor oil original is pretty good in my hair, so I might keep that around. This oil right here is pretty good in my hair. I may keep that around. Whichever one is the strongest one, I'm gonna keep that one instead, you know? Vice versa. But those are pretty much oils you should be using. During the woof, I feel like you should be using oils just to pretty much keep your hair oiled. Just keep your hair oiled, keep the scalp oiled. You know, your hair is growing. It's harder to lay down. Not only that, it's a lot more hair. It's a lot harder to get down to the scalp. That's where this dropper come in. I got some stuff coming. I ain't gonna speak on too much, but I really like this dropper and this because it gets down to the scalp. Like when you open it up, you can just go like this and it drops into your hair. It ain't like you putting it on your hand, rubbing your hand together, going like this, and then boom, you know, you oiled your hair. No, that gets down to the scalp. You want to oil your scalp. And not only you want to oil your hair, not only you want to oil your hair, you want it to oil your scalp. But like I said, with that being said, I know y'all want me to unrag, drop some oil in. I need to drop some oil in myself. So I'll unrag for y'all, show y'all my ways, and drop some oil into my hair for y'all. Real quick, I'm going to choose which one I want to use. Probably be the thicker one. And also, these ones are really thick. These type of bottle ones, really thick oil, really thick. That's why I really recommend those when you're woofing, because it's thick, you know. And my hair is really, really coarse, so, and my hair is also thick, so that oil is really thick. So my hair really reacts with it really good, because my hair not only is really coily and thick, that oil is thick, so it can fight that toughness. So that's just for me. And if your hair is like that, I really recommend you try those 2 out. Figure out which one works for you. There's other flavors. Coconut, I seen somebody using coconut. I may try that out. I probably like how that smell, or probably like how that use in my hair, you know. So with that being said, I'm gonna come out the rag, show y'all my ways, put some oil in, probably brush for y'all. Alright, so pretty much just gonna unrag. Let me set these phones down. Let me grab the mirror real quick. Matter of fact, I don't even feel like grabbing the mirror. I'll rock for y'all real quick. About how thick it is. Yeah, that's a healthy amount. Really thick. You feel me? Just like that. Simple. Just keeping it oil and moisturized. It's been a minute since I recorded a video, man. I'm telling you, it's been about like what, 2 weeks? Almost 2-3 weeks, man. It's been too long, y'all. It's been way too long, man. I've been leaving y'all hanging. I know y'all quarantining. I know y'all need some tips, man. But I'm back in this thing and we ready to go, man. It's been way too long. I'm getting camera shy again. I can't be doing that, man. I gotta turn up for y'all, man. Y'all on quarantine. Let's brush. Y'all should be brushing while y'all watching this video right now. Like, come on. Telling you, watch when I get this cut, man. And if y'all want to wish me a happy birthday, I'm gonna just let y'all know ahead of time. It's about a couple days left. My birthday's on the 22nd. I'm probably gonna be dropping a video around that time, so y'all can hit the comment section, give a brother a happy birthday. You feel me? Or if y'all want to do it, you know, early now, y'all can. I'm just letting y'all know when my birthday is, cause you know, I know y'all would like to know. Y'all probably like, dang, this fool even have a birthday? He just upload every day, and never have a birthday. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can get the birthday flicks and see how my little drip going. Can't really drip too hard, quarantine. Can't really grab the fit I want to, but I'm gonna pull something out the closet and y'all ain't never seen. You know, something real quick, easy. But it is what it is, man. We quarantine, we ain't got no choice. I'm gonna get dressed and sit in the house. Turn up by myself. That being said, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at ricothewaver if I haven't told y'all already. I'm just rambling off at this moment. Let me go ahead and end this because this video is getting way too long. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. I'm back in this thing. And we ready to go. We back in business, man. Expect videos daily. I'm going to try to push them out daily for y'all. It's your boy Rico and I'm checking out.